to make new friends as a new boy, or to make new friends as a boy, should I say? Simple. Like, just know what you really care about and what you're passionate about, and you're gonna attract them naturally. I know it sounds really vague and fake, cliche, but whatever, because it's just true. Like I don't explain it. It's like, for example, it's like let's say, for example, in school, right, in secondary school, like I was new to not secondary school, it's new to like primary school, and this is when I wanted year six, and yeah, the person that was showing me around the school, um, he ended up being my best friend at that time, and you know what's interesting? I ended up being best friends with a guy mainly because I found out when I sat next to him in class, his pencil case was of the same football team that I support. Do you see what I mean? And we became friends. Like, just off of that alone. And then little did I know that years later we ended up going, not years later, well, obviously a year later, we ended up going to the same secondary school. And the funny thing is, his dad started to teach me boxing. Do you see what I'm saying? Like, you have to understand the levels here. Basic shit. Do you see what I mean? So you don't need to overcomplicate it when it comes to making friends. Yeah? Obviously, yeah, I'm talking that was primary school age, but the still thing applies when you're an adult as well. Regardless of whatever age you are. It's just finding that common interest, but you have to generally just be who you are and be passionate about what you do. So if you click the link in the description box below where it says become a member of the Alkebulantrust, you will get access to online courses such as career and business, and that's where you're going to learn exactly what your true personal mission on earth is, aka your purpose. And you'll be able to, you know, attract the right people around you, and you naturally be able to make friends with those people. Like, just for simple stuff. Now, the thing we're doing at the Alkebulantrust is we're rebuilding the infrastructure in the African and Caribbean diaspora, all right? Because I'm sure you're probably aware that there's so many problems that persist over time since slavery, and we're trying to prevent and solve these problems, all right, long-term wise. So this is why we request for you to click the link in the description box below where it says make a donation. You can make a donation of any amount, all right, so you can help us achieve this mission. So if you've got any questions, any topics you'd like for us to discuss in our videos, leave that in the comment section below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, because you never know the video you suggest might just be next.